Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Chemistry exam, easy method. Start by listing all major topics, prioritize weaknesses, and set realistic daily study blocks. Focus on core concepts, formulas, and units while doing timed practice sets. Review mistakes immediately and summarize key reactions on flashcards. Keep sessions short, active, and consistent to build confidence and improve exam. Use active practice to turn study time into real improvement by mixing timed quizzes, problem sets, and written explanations. Simulate exam conditions for at least one full practice section each week to build pacing. After every practice, analyze errors and adapt your plan to target weak topics. Keep a running list of common mistakes and revisit them with flashcards to prevent repeating the same errors. Pick high-quality resources and avoid overload by sticking to one main review book plus official AP practice exams. Use short video lessons for quick clarifications and immediately apply those ideas to problem sets. Study groups help by forcing explanation and revealing blind spots, while solo review keeps focus. Balance different formats so you learn concepts, practice application, and measure progress consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.